Let's be real, manufacturing has a reputation problem. People think of smokestacks, pollution, and mountains of waste. But here's the plot twist. The industry is in the middle of a green revolution, and it's happening faster than you think. Across America, factories are investing billions into clean tech and sustainable practices. We're talking about $238 billion spent on new manufacturing construction in just 1 year. And it's not just about building more, it's about building better. Almost every manufacturer I know is jumping on the digital transformation train. Think AI, 5G, and the Internet of Things, all working together to cut energy use, slash waste, and keep an eye on every resource. Imagine factories so smart they can predict breakdowns, optimize energy, and track every material from start to finish. But the real magic? It's in the materials. The textile industry, for example, is getting a major eco-makeover. Companies are turning crop waste into high-quality fibers like Agraloop trademark, which uses 100% less water than cotton. And get this, some brands are making car interiors from plant-based leather. Even potatoes are getting a second life as award-winning fabrics. Recycling is making waves too. 3D printing can reduce material waste by up to 90%. Adidas is leading the charge with 96% of its polyester now recycled, though we've still got work to do on textile-to-textile recycling. And it's not just about saving the planet, it's about jobs. Clean tech investments are creating tens of thousands of new roles. Companies are upskilling workers, making manufacturing a smarter, greener place to work. Bottom line, the next time someone says manufacturing can't be green, tell them the revolution is already here. Go green, or go home.